So hi everyone, you can see this is the connections for experiment on figure of merit of galvanometer. So for that we require the power supply, two resistance box, one consider it as a R and another one as a S, that is shunt resistance, and here is the galvanometer and two one-way keys or two plug keys. We have to connect all these apparatus with the help of connecting wires according to the given circuit diagram. First we have to connect the battery power supply positive terminal to the resistance box, one end of the resistance box and another end of the resistance box to the galvanometer. So we have to connect the resistance S and the plug key parallel to the galvanometer. So positive terminal of the galvanometer to the one end of the resistance box, another end of the resistance box to the plug key, and this plug key another end should be connected to negative terminal of the galvanometer, and the negative terminal of the galvanometer goes to another plug key. So the another terminal of the plug key to the battery or the power supply negative terminal. So this is how we have to connect the circuit diagram for figure of merit. Next what we have to do, we have to switch on the power supply, keep the voltage at 2 volts. So we can observe the galvanometer is continuously deflecting. So we have to apply here maximum resistance. Then the deflection stops here due to flow of resistance. Once I put the key back and the deflection we can observe, we have to remove the plug key here, and then we have to apply some value of resistance, and then we should apply here small value of S. So we have to balance the deflection of the galvanometer with the help of applying resistance. So that should become half of the value of the galvanometer.